Here we are at the Caribbean Regional Center of Global Wealth Trade in St. Martin. We would just like to give you a tour of our office. Here we have our state-of-the-art music system. We have our reception desk. We have, of course, our Building the Billion banner, without which no good office would be really representing our objectives. Right here we have our executive office, fully set up, computerized to keep contact with headquarters. Here we have our storeroom, which actually holds our kits that the distributors can now receive their kits upon becoming a member once their documents have been processed. You can also purchase and receive right away a lot of material that you can use for promotion, the mag packs, the inserts from the Preferred Magazine, Network, Times, and Master Series. You can also get a lot of promotional material and articles here from the office, which you can purchase right away. This storeroom has been built also to hold the t-shirts and the products that needs to be delivered to the LCs that we have in St. Martin. And of course, we are going global, and we have a reminder of it on our walls at all time. We have a world map making sure we do not forget the objectives of global wealth trade, which is going worldwide in 2015 and having 100,000 distributors with at least 100 millionaires coming out of the Caribbean. Here we have our ferry shields on display. In this office you can see a lot of the products of global wealth trade, and of course our ferry shield, one of the latest release, sitting area for the LCs. Here we have our bathroom and kitchen area, brand new, just remodeled, all paid for by Global Wealth Trade so that the Caribbean can have access to the best possible service for its LCs. And here we have another showcase decked out with our ferry pieces, really beautiful presentations. So now the LCs from the islands can actually just come to St. Martin and see all of the pieces physically here in St. Martin. Here we have another showcase which features some of our silver items, AAA cubic zirconia, of course everything naturally rhodium plated, handmade. Here we have another of our cases here in St. Martin so that the distributors can actually view the gorgeous pieces, beautifully handmade, beautifully hand set pieces of global wealth trade. Here we have some of our timepieces, beautifully displayed here in our office in St. Martin. And then the bags, of course, the total blowout. This is what the ladies really love. Finest Italian leather, beautifully finished, German stitching. You just can't beat it. There's nothing better than this on the market. And of course, our beautiful fairy queen and model here displaying on this banner some of our most beautiful fairy pieces. And of course, without a trophy case, it would not be complete. Here is our trophy case. And on the wall, we have all of the executive teams, Mr. Hooker, Mr. Osman. We have the CEO and visionary of Global Wealth Trade, Mr. Ramin Mesgarlu. Here we have the dream team of Global Wealth Trade execs. And here we have the diva of Global Wealth Trade, Sanez Homan. And last but not least, Mr. Naned, the person who was responsible for the great online presentation material that we now have in the form of templates that can be sent out and you can easily promote your business online. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Global Wealth Trade in St. Martin, and in the background we're rocking Ferry. When you look at me, like you can't touch me, I